By the end of this video, you will know how to change the Xero fiscal year end date. Start from your Xero organization dashboard. To get to the setting that controls the fiscal year end date, go to the top area of the screen and click your organization name. This opens the main menu for organization level options. From that menu, select Settings. Once you are on the Settings page, scroll down until you reach the Accounting section. In that section, click Financial Settings. This opens the page where Xero stores the accounting details tied to your organization, including the current financial year end. On the Financial Settings page, look for the Financial Year End area. You should see the current setting displayed there, along with a change link. Click Change to open the Financial Year End options. A Change Financial Year End window will appear. In this window, you will be able to choose a new day and month for your organization's fiscal year end. Select the day first if Xero presents it that way, then select the month, or choose both fields in whatever order appears on your screen. The key point here is to make sure the date matches the financial year end you want to use for the organization. After you have selected the new day and month, take a moment to review the warning message shown in the window. This message is there so you can confirm that you are making the change intentionally. Read through it, make sure the new financial year end is correct, and then click Done to confirm that selection. Once you click Done, you will return to the Financial Settings page. At this stage, the new fiscal year end has been selected, but it is not fully applied until you save the settings on the page itself. This is the part that is easy to miss because closing the change window does not complete the update by itself. Back on the Financial Settings page, review the Financial Year End field one more time to confirm it now shows the date you selected. If it looks correct, click Save. Xero will then apply the updated fiscal year end to your organization's financial settings. If the page takes a moment to process, wait for it to finish and watch for the updated setting to remain in place after the save completes. That confirms the change has gone through. The main path is organization name, then settings, then financial settings in the accounting section, then change under financial year end, followed by selecting the new day and month, confirming with done, and finishing with save on the financial settings page. Your Xero financial year end date is now updated in financial settings.